I have graduated from mechanical engineering. I'm 2024 pass out, and I have recently completed my CAD program from GUVI. I'm from engineering background, BTech. Mechanical engineering is my undergraduation. I got to know about GUVI from an Instagram advertisement. From phone conversation, I got to know that the placement opportunity in GUVI, and I will acquire certificate from the parent company. I think it will be of some value in the industry. Madhumita ma'am was my mentor, and she helped me whenever I needed help. I would raise a query if I am facing difficulty in some task or project, and she will guide me. Favorite project is V6 engine. It was very difficult and complex project, a lot of time to complete, but I felt some satisfaction with what I have created. I had zero knowledge in this softwares. With task and projects, I gained some confidence. I can create projects even in industry also, because the projects were very difficult. Other mentors were temporary, like Ajay sir left in the middle. So Madhumita ma'am is my favorite mentor. She was there from the beginning to the end. So she guided me, and she was very patient. As a teacher, the video call with mentor is good. Having direct conversation with them on video call, and the task and projects were sufficient for me to help me to develop my skills. So I think it was good. That way, I could write a query, and I could join doubt clarification sessions. So there was ample amount of opportunity for me to get my doubts answered. Yes, I can handle projects in industry level because I have done some very complicated ones earlier also. So yes, I'm very prepared. At the end of live evaluation call, they will ask some mentors will ask some viva questions that I think can help me in job interviews also. It gave me a good idea of what questions can be asked in when I apply for job interviews. So it was helpful, beneficial. If you are seeking constant help, if you need constant guidance, then you can join GUVI.